Hi, I'm Mike Anderson with FLOORZZ.com. Today I'm going to talk about care instructions on the Montage European Oak. Montage European Oak is an oil finish product. It has a very beautiful luster. The oil kind of brings out some of the tannins and some of the beautiful properties in it. It has a luster like no other woods out there. With that, it does come with a little bit of care and maintenance. When the wood is first installed, you want to vacuum it with a soft bristled vacuum or dust it with a dust mop. Then you want to apply WOCA oil soap to it for a cleaner and let that dry 4 to 6 hours. To refresh and re-clean, you would do the same process, except you only have to let it dry 1 to 2 hours in future cleanings. About every 2 to 5 years, depending on how much traffic you have and how much wear and tear you put on your floor, you may have to re-oil your floor. And they do make WOCA makes a product where you can re-oil the entire floor. You just want to read the instructions on the side. All oil finish products, wood products, require some type of care and maintenance. In the boxes that the wood comes in, there is care instructions in there. You can also always refer to the manufacturer's website for those care instructions as well. Visit FLOORZZ.com to look at the Montage European Oak and many other oil finish products.